Women have been the torchbearers of the growth of direct selling industry in India. The industry is proud to have several examples that not only reflect the rich dividends of hard work, but can also serve as inspiration to many others. One such example is Ms. Sirisha Iyer, a strong woman who worked hard and utilized the inherent benefits of direct selling business to fulfill her dreams in life. I would request Ms. Sirisha to come on the dais and share with us few memories of her long journey. Ms. Sirisha.
DSA for giving this opportunity. Thanks to all the people on the stage and off the stage who are actually working towards the growth of direct selling industry. So here I'm to share some of my story. So I was raised by a single mother. And grew up in a business community actually. So we have seen lots of struggle in building the business. So as most of the Indians, especially South Indians, my family expected me to become an engineer, right? And do a job. So by the time I completed my graduation, all I was aspiring is to become a businesswoman, and a dream of me and my two friends building a house together. Right, so I have started venturing into few businesses while I was pursuing my MBA. And one evening, I got a call on landline. There were no mobiles, not much mobiles then. So I got a call on the landline from a stranger saying, he introduced saying that he's a friend of friend. And he invited me to a direct selling business presentation. So with dreams and with lots of naivety, I started my journey as a direct seller. So the one key point here is naivety, underlining point. I'll tell you why, the reason. So when I started the business, they said you have to do three things. One, use your products. Two, share the products with the people, share the products you liked with the people you like. Third, share the opportunity with the people who wants to do about two. So I thought, itni each? Acha, koi bhi kar sakta hai, bachche bhi kar sakte hai. I am going to rock it in a couple of months, I am going to break it. And, sooner I learned that I underestimated two things. One is efforts we have to keep, and people. So when I started, I had no real business experience. Confidence, yes, but no real business experience. And direct selling industry is a very different concept. Where we have to go directly to the customer and talk to them, right? It's a people business, right? A business of changing habits, and we all know people are people, right? So I had to lean into taking the help of the corporation and my coaches to learn what to do, right? So I had undergone some trainings like people skills, selling skills, leadership skills, etc. So after that, while I formed some team, I started building some volume and all, and I also met my husband through business. So that's yeah. So after marriage, my grandfather invited us to our town, and he fed us well. He gave us nice gifts, and he made us sit and told us, he's doing good job. He's working in a good company. You studied well. You can work in a good company. Why are you wasting your time in an industry where there are so many legal problems? Because that was the time some legal issues happened. So we had to face so many objections from family and friends to move ahead in the course of journey. So after lots of girna utna, mostly girna, so I have learned some important lessons like having patience to be succeed in the business, and having continuous education, and also an heart to help others. So heart to help others. So now we failed a lot, but we made sure that we failed forward. Right? So now I spend almost 15 to 20 hours per week as a direct seller. I help and empower many women across rural and semi-urban areas, women to be an entrepreneurs. I started as a single student and to earn extra income, right? Extra income. Now I'm a certified financial consultant, right? I'm married. I'm taking care of my home. We are taking care of our parents financially and also emotionally, right? And building this direct selling business along with my husband, and building this business as an asset, not just some pocket money thing. And a decade back, my dream was to become an entrepreneur. But now I help many women with health and economic freedom, right? And happy to share that by next end, we 3 friends will be staying around 1 kilometer range. So it's another dream. And so I'm Sirisha Katragadda. I'm a direct seller. And this is my story in short. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir.